This is a Weldotron 7603 shrink tunnel. This is set up to run polyethylene, although I think we could convert this to run polyolefin if need be. The tunnel chamber is 48 inches long. Its opening is 28.5 inches wide by 16 inches tall. So it can shrink a package that would have polyethylene film on it as it's set up right now. Again, a Weldotron 7603. By the way, this machine was rebuilt. I'm not really sure the age of the machine, but it was totally rebuilt just about 3 years ago, so it's in excellent condition.